let's talk about a side stretch utilizing the band. So when it comes to Pilates movement, as I've reviewed many times, everything has to do with your alignment, basically from your shoulders all the way to your pubic bone. Keeping the shoulders down and back, keeping the rib cage engaged inward, and keeping, if you're sitting, your pubic bone aiming straight down. If you're lying down, your pubic bone would be parallel to the floor. So with this, first thing we'll do is we will sit on our band. So I want you to sit where you're comfortable on the band, crossing your legs. And from here, take your tubing in your left arm, chest is up nice and tall. Now remember, your pubic bone is aiming straight down, your rib cage is braced in, your shoulder blades are back and down, and let's side stretch. Now as we stretch, so I'm stretching my left arm up, I want you to stretch your left hip down because we're trying not to change our pelvis. If I were to lift my hip, then I change the position of my pelvis and I'm actually shortchanging my stretch. So you're sitting, pubic bone aiming down, rib cage in, up, inhale one way, and exhale the other. And inhale, and exhale. Now notice how I say inhale one way, exhale the other. And I do that on purpose because some people feel like, oh wait, you're inhaling, but I need to exhale. The reality is it's about using your breath as the rhythm of movement. It doesn't necessarily need to be in a specific spot in the movement. It will not change the exercise. So just think of it that way. Just inhale one way and exhale the other one more time. And bring your arm down. And the other side, so same thing. Double check your posture. Make sure your pubic bone is down. Shoulders are down and back. So you're sitting up where your ear goes over the shoulder, shoulder goes right over the hips. And the rib cage is braced in and really contracted to the point where you cannot feel the difference or the bump of where your rib cage and your abdominals meet. It feels like it's one thing going in and down. Taking your tubing up and over and back down. And up and over, pushing your hip bone down and in. Now, even though my arm is coming up, I'm still holding my shoulder down and back. So if I was to just let my shoulders come up, I'd be here, right? So notice how my shoulder went up. So I'm holding my shoulder down and back, which now enables me to stretch in my side and come back down. And stretch and come back down. Inhale one way and exhale the other. One more time. And release. And that was our side stretch.